The dream. I don't need to make my dreams come true. My friends do it for me. What you mean? What is going on, guys? Hi. So we're going to go get my car inspected and mount the new wheels. I am gonna go meet up with my buddy Kenny because we're getting it all completed at his work. So, but this car smells like doo-doo. I appreciate all the support lately. Those gaming videos they seem to do so much better, and it's just still fun. I won't do things if I'm not having fun, but if I'm still having fun, then we freaking rock. I hate when your car smells and you don't have no clue what it is. Then there's nothing old in here. But anyway, but yeah, I appreciate it. It's been fun. I'm still having fun, and we're still gonna get it. And I feel like I'm getting. It's funny because I can see new people commenting, and it's pretty cool. I haven't had that in a while, but all right, we're gonna get to my buddies. We're gonna get the new wheels mounted, and yeah, we can keep going. Am I in manual mode? Oh, sorry. I have no clue if that was in focus. If not, I had my camera on manual mode because I use this for work. So like sometimes I need to set focus, or even like when I'm shooting, I shoot in manual. So that was out of focus. But anyway, I grabbed the new knob from work. Check this out. This is a Chico. It's not. I didn't set it because my other one I'm gonna use forever. But this is a Chico blue translucent with the ring engraving. It looks sick. It's hype. I don't know. I need to use all the knobs so that way I can, because I do like pretty much like product, I don't know, videos for them, and I like much more, but like I need to know the product very well. So, and it's pretty, it literally helps me if I have them on my car and I'm shifting with them and I can feel how I grip it. And so it's supposed to be at 9:30, I'm late, I think, but I don't think he's up. But check this out, I found these shoes at Monica's house, or Monica's dad's house. These are my old Dramas. They're like all black pumps. What you mean, dog? Because like I wore out my Vans and like all my shoes. I'm like, I don't feel like buying shoes, but like I know I have a lot of shoes. But I found these Jones and they're fresh. Yeah, what you mean? All right, we're gonna go to Kenny's and say what's up, and we're gonna get my car inspected, mount the new wheels, and life's gonna be good. I highly doubt he's up right now. It's going up. This is the first time it's on the lift. It's just crushing. Now I can see how ugly my underneath is and how much it's leaking. That shit's awesome. We just got to my buddy's shop, so I'll excited to see how ugly it is under here. It's not that bad. There's literally no nut on both motor mounts. What the hell? It should be like a 14. That is horrible. I'm at Gtst. We're gonna get it inspected later. We're running out of time because we gotta go to the concert. We're mounting the tires and we pretty much ran out of time, so we're gonna get it inspected later. But yeah, hype. We gotta run to the bank. I gotta get gas bad. And but the tires are mounted. They look really, really dope. All right, so here we go. Ready for this, ready for this. All shaky cam, shaky. Bam! They look good with tires on them. I like the way they look. I just have to make sure they fit. I think they would be fine, but my fenders aren't rolled, so it could be an issue. Yeah.
Got these two
the dream. I don't need to make my dreams come true. My friends do it for me. What you mean? I forgot what side I'm going.
I don't know if this shit really works anymore.
Yeah. It sounds fresh. Okay, a quick review. Gtst 4-door sedan. What you mean? Literally my dream car. My homie got it. He got it a couple weeks ago. It's hype though. It looks sick. He has a whole like body kit for it, and like yeah, I like the way it looks now. It's dope. Hype. You
won't ever feel the way that I feel. It's hard for me to say this pain is so real. I don't forget. Nah, I won't forget.
Right now we're running errands. We have to pay bills, but then we're gonna get to 240, go back home, get dressed, get ready, and then head to the concert. It should be fun. I'm hyped. I'm hungry though. Last night I painted my side skirts. They came out like booty. Like literally booty. I don't know what happened. I used the same paint as I used for the rear bumper, but something happened with the paint. I think it was like humid. It had to have been humidity, but it didn't feel humid, but it had to have been humidity because like the paint, like the primer just ate the paint where it like looks like it's like ash jeans or like faded jeans. It's crazy. I don't understand it, why that happened, but it's all good. I'll repaint them. Or I'll just put them on. Then that. Can't stop my pride. Anyone excited for the J. Cole concert? Favorite artist ever. And we're gonna see him tonight. We're gonna meet him. I'm just kidding. I hope we meet him. That'd be cool. Expectations versus reality is a hell of a drug. Okay. Alright, we're about to head to J. Cole. So exciting. And then we're just gonna... Wait, I kinda wanted to bring a backpack.
Well, I mean, I brought my Lil John.
I know, I was gonna put my... You think I can bring my camera inside? Probably not. Alright.
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't either. Yeah, it's just...
I was gonna bring my MCM bag, but I was actually betting people hitting it.
Yeah.
I'm like, that would be good. I could just throw my vape or like...
Trapped in the city, then I asked, is that really such a bad thing? I look around like, do you... Last night, we put up on a light like... nice watch. Run it. Hands in the air now. Hands in the air. Run it. Hands in the air now. Hands in the air. Run it. So what? I ain't even taking no tour, so what? Bunch of fake friends, I ain't judging you. I'm just telling you what's probably gonna happen when you rapping about the type of shit you rap about. It's a fact around to them. I wish you good luck. I'm hoping for your sake that you ain't dumb as you look. But if it's really true and people saying and you call yourself playing with my name, then I really know you fuck. Trust, I'll be around forever, cause my skills is tip-top. To any amateur nigga that wanna get rocked, just remember what I told you when your shit flop. In 5 years you gon' be on every... Oh my fucking God, Philadelphia! I appreciate y'all so much for coming out to this bitch tonight, Philly. Y'all fucking killed this shit, man. I appreciate y'all for coming out here. But before we go, please, I need everybody in this...
Alright, my dudes, it's like Monday night, I'm editing the video. I had a wild weekend, it was crazy, filled with excitement, joy, pain, Connor lost. I'm watching the Big Brown Breakdown, or Below the Belt nowadays, but with Brendan Schaub. Really good weekend. I really enjoyed myself. I had I always forget to turn that off. I had a really good time. The concert was just truly remarkable. It was really such a cool experience to be in front of someone that I thoroughly like. I don't know. A huge fan of J. Cole. He's like my #1 artist. Been my #1 artist for I don't know years now, and it was my first concert, and it was really cool. Inspiring. It was cool because in between songs he would tell stories that led up to the next one, and it was just really such an amazing experience, and especially to share with my homie and Kenny. And yeah, we came home and started to get to work. Both are inspired, both ready to go. Today I was dead. I was so tired. My voice is shot, but everything will rebuild. I gotta get to bed so I can get to sleep, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I appreciate it. Probably gonna make another FR Legends video tomorrow. I'm gonna keep plugging along. The wheels are mounted. I had to repaint my side skirts, so there's a lot of work to be done. And I'm excited to start putting a team together and start putting out some new stuff. We have we have another music video. For anyone that like saw the music video on Friday, we were working on that for like a couple weeks / months, and for every week this month, and probably for a while, we're gonna keep dropping music videos. That's my buddy Kenny. He makes music. He's really I really enjoy his music, and I love making music videos. I grew up watching music videos, and it's really cool to be able to have the tools to make something for him and for his music, and just work together, collaborate on projects. So if you see music videos, it's his music, and go check out his channel. Go check out his SoundCloud. Everything's BKO'd. So yeah, I'll at your boy, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Happy freaking Tuesday! I love you so much. Holla at your boys.
It's tough for me to pick it up, I gotta run. It seems like yesterday I just turned 21. I don't wanna be on one and done. I wanna do something that nobody has done. I spent too many nights trying to figure out why I am the way that I am. I'm picking fights with my girl, I know you fucking can.